Raj, I have a big confession. I am so confused about time in English.
Hey Anjali, don't worry. Time can be tricky. What is confusing you today?
Yesterday, I wanted to tell my neighbor about my daily routine. I wanted to say that I drink tea every morning.
Okay, that sounds simple. What did you say?
I got nervous and said, Raj, I am drink tea every single day morning. Or sometimes I say, I drinking tea. My neighbor looked so confused.
Ah, yes. I am drink or I drinking are very common mistakes. You are mixing up your tenses. That sounds a bit strange to a native speaker.
See, English grammar is so scary. I don't want to learn long, boring rules from a school book.
You don't have to. Today, we are going to learn the most important tense in English without any boring rules. It is called the simple present tense.
Simple present tense? What does that even mean?
It just means talking about things you do regularly, things that are habits or things that are always true, like your daily routine.
Oh, so things I do every day.
Exactly. Let's look at a normal day in your life to see how it works. Let's start with the easiest part. When you talk about yourself, I, or the person you are talking to, you, the action word, the verb, stays completely simple. No changes.
Really? Give me an example.
Okay, think about the morning. What is the first thing you do?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Perfect. Look at that sentence. I wake up. The word wake is simple. You don't say I am wake, you just say I wake up.
Okay. I wake up. Then I make a cup of tea.
Exactly. I make tea. Just the simple word make. What about after that?
I read a book for 10 minutes.
Perfect again. I read a book. So for your morning routine, you say I wake up, I make tea, I read a book.
Wow, that is so easy. What if I'm talking about you, Raj?
It is the exact same. If you talk to me, you say, you wake up, you make tea, you read a book. The action word never changes for I, you, we, or they.
Let me try. We learn English. Is that correct?
100% correct. We learn English. Simple and easy.
Okay, Raj, but what if I want to talk about my brother or my mom or my cat? Is it the same?
Ah, this is where most beginners make a big mistake. When we talk about one other person, like he, she, or it, the action word needs a tiny friend at the end. It needs the letter S.
Wait, the letter S? Why?
It's just a special English signal. Let's look at your brother. You said, I wake up at 6 a.m. But for your brother, you must say, he wakes up at 7 a.m.
Oh, he wakes up with an S.
Yes, let's try another one. You said, I make tea. What does your mother do?
She drink. Wait, no. She drinks coffee.
Brilliant, Anjali. She drinks coffee. You added the S. What about your cat?
My cat sleep. No, it sleeps on the sofa.
Yes, it sleeps. So remember the secret rule. If it is he, she, or it, always put an S at the end of the action word.
Let me review to make sure I have it. I drink water, but he drinks water. I speak English, but she speaks English.
Perfect. You understand it completely. Now, let's go to the error lab to test your brain and test our friends watching at home.
I am ready. Give us some broken sentences, Raj.
Sentence number 1. My father work in an office. Is this correct?
Hmm. My father is a he. So we need the secret S. The correct sentence is my father works in an office.
Great job. Sentence number 2. I am go to the gym every day.
Oh, I know this one because I used to make this mistake. Take away the am. It should just be I go to the gym every day.
Awesome. Last one, and this is a trick. They plays football on Sundays.
Wait, they means a group of people. The S is only for he, she, and it. So take away the S. It should be they play football on Sundays.
Beautifully done, Anjali. You passed the test.
Raj, I can't believe it. The simple present tense isn't scary at all. It's actually very logical when you practice it like this.
Exactly. Grammar is just a tool to help you speak with confidence. Don't worry about memorizing chart formulas. Just think about your daily habits.
So, Raj, what is the homework for our friends at home today?
It is time for your English practice homework, friends.
Yes, open your phone keyboards and scroll down to the comment section below this video.
Write just one simple sentence about your daily routine using the simple present tense. You can tell us what time you wake up, what you drink in the morning, or where you work.
For example, you can write, I drink coffee every morning. Or, my sister lives in Delhi.
Don't worry about making mistakes. The error lab is always open here in the comments. Anjali and I will read your sentences and help you fix them very gently. We are a learning family here.
Yes, we are learning together. If this video made the simple present tense easy for you, please show us some love.
Click that like button right now and please don't forget to subscribe. Your likes and comments give us so much motivation to make more videos just like these for you. Every single subscribe makes our team so happy.
Share this video with a friend who wants to learn simple English grammar without the stress.
Thank you so much for watching lesson 4 with us. You are doing an amazing job on this journey. Keep going.
See you tomorrow for lesson 5, where we will learn another major English topic and make it super easy. Keep practicing and keep smiling.